Hello, my name's Will, and here at Quell, what we do a lot around is staff safety, whether that is working for staff on sites all the way to lone workers. And that's what I want to talk about at the moment. Lone workers, especially mobile workers in vehicles. And what I mean is this. Over the past few weeks, I've been talking a lot to staff, and what I found out from one or two of them, that unfortunately, now they're back more frequent on the road, that they had punctures. And they were in areas where they had no phone signal. And they were in areas where they just didn't feel safe. And we're having the conversation about, well, okay, then what can we do? Yes, we've got preventative measures, making sure they book in, book out, or they keep regular touch with people. But I'm on about actually on the spot at the time, what can be done? And it was interesting for them because when we were talking about it, what we're talking about, believe it or not, was this thing here, tyre fall. And it sounds like a weird subject, doesn't it, if you think about it? But this is £2.99 from a pound shop. Plug it in your tyre, press the lever on top, and it inflates the tyre. Sometimes it takes about 2 minutes, it depends on what type it is. But like I was saying to him, I mean, £2.99, it's nothing, is it, realistically? Or then again, as I pointed out, I bought one about a year ago, and I got it from a car repair company, a spares company, and it cost me about £8. I've been working in the Republic of Ireland for quite a lot, and I've seen them there. I saw a small one the other day for about €6 in, again, a Euro shop. And then I've seen it in car spare shops or, shall we say, DIY shops. I've seen it around. And I've been saying to a lot of companies, well, why don't we think of adding this to our mobile workers? Let's, shall we say, put a pack together. And there is a company that's actually we're working with very heavily at the moment, where all their mobile workers are all getting car packs. And I know they're going to put the information on their LinkedIn page because, well, put it this way, it gave a boost of morale to the staff, and it also gave them confidence that if they're involved in an incident around, shall we say, a vehicle where they've got a puncture or they've got a breakdown, they've got the right equipment. So I'm not being funny. All I'm asking you, if you're a company, have you thought of supplying something like this to your staff? Or if you are indeed a lone worker and you want to do it yourself, it's not hard. Go to a pound shop or go to a Euro shop, depending where you are. Have a look around. You'll see them on the shelves, not very expensive. Purchase it, stick it in the boot of your car, and don't even think about it until you have an incident. And then just think to yourself, prevention is better than the cure. If you want to know more about some of the equipment that we look at, analyse, and we do ridicule a little bit, please jump onto our YouTube channel and subscribe. If you want to know more about staff safety, again, jump onto the channel and subscribe. Or if you want to know about incidents that we comment on or in some cases have been involved in, please go to our LinkedIn page. Stay safe whatever you're doing, and bye for now.